morning, my princess. Hello. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. What was that? I think HYEKYONG is making breakfast again. Gonna check what she's doing. Good morning.
Morning.
What are you making today?
Gonna make Poha rice. Not sure the right name, but
What's Poha?
Poha is this one. It's a dry rice, I think. First, I'm gonna soak this in water to have the soft texture. I think it's ready.
Okay, how can I know?
Some more time. So meanwhile, I'm going to use this
What's this?
mustard seed and curry leaves, chili, oil, stir fry.
Is it ready now?
It's ready. Now I'm gonna use the mustard seed and chili, and then I might need the curry leaves again. So I would like you to take some curry leaves from outside.
Again?
Yeah.
Let's take more curry leaves. Some of my favorite. It's not that hot today. It's kind of fresh. There's some wind. Which one should we take? Maybe this one. It's very nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes!
Just a little bit. Jordi's. This is mine.
Let's see this. How do you call it?
I really don't know the name, so if anybody knows the right name,
It's Poha.
let us know. The Poha lemon rice, I would say.
It's a nice breakfast. Whoa,
Smells good.
smells very fragrant. A lot of, lemon, coriander, onion, peanuts. Not that spicy. I can taste the lemon a lot. Thank you.
I think I should put some more chili
Maybe
in it.
more spicy. Or maybe masala. No? Some masala mix. Anyway, simple breakfast, very healthy. So try it. Remember guys, stay home and cook nice.
If you like this video, click like.
And subscribe to this channel. See you!
See you. Bye.